Hello students, in this video we will see the examples about the combination of resistors. Let three resistors are given R1, R2 and R3 and the value of R1 is 1 ohm, value of R2 is 2 ohm, value of R3 is 3 ohm. Let first these are connected in series. Okay, so what will be the equivalent resistance in series combination? So in the previous video we had already studied the expression for the series combination of resistors. This is if three resistors are given R1, R2 and R3, then the equivalent resistance in series combination is Rs equal R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus up to Rn. Okay, but in this question here three resistors are given only. So the equation will be R1 plus R2 plus R3. On putting the value of R1, R2 and R3, 1 plus 2 plus 3, it will be equal 6 ohm. So Rs or equivalent resistance in the series combination will be 6 ohm. Okay, if these are connected in parallel combination, so what will be the equivalent resistance in parallel combination of these resistors? We know that the formula or the expression for the equivalent resistance in parallel combination is Rp equal 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3 plus up to 1 upon Rn. But here in this question only three resistors are given. That's why the equation will be Rp equal 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. On putting the values of R1, R2 and R3, 1 upon 1, the value of R1 is 1 ohm and plus 1 upon value of R2 is 2 ohm and the value of R3 is 3 ohm. Okay. Now the LCM of 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3 will be equal to 6. Okay. Now we are dividing 6 by 1. Then what will be the answer? 6. Okay. Now here we have to multiply 6 by 1. So 1 into 6 and this one plus. Now we have to divide 6 by 2. Then answer will be 3. Okay. Now we have to multiply 3 by 1. So here 1 into 3. Okay. This one plus. We have to divide 6 by 3. Then answer will be 2. And we have to divide, we have to multiply 2 by 1. So here 1 into 2 will be there. Now 1 upon Rp will be equal 6 plus 3 plus 2. Okay. Or here 6. Here 6, 9 and 10, 11. So 11 upon 6 will be there. 1 upon R. This 11 upon 6 is not equivalent resistance. Okay. Some students are confusing here. That some students write here that Rp equal 11 upon 6. But this is not answer because this is the reciprocal. So on cross multiplying 1 into 6, 1 into 6 equal Rp into 11 or Rp equal 6 upon 11. So reciprocal to the reciprocal 1 upon Rp is the reciprocal. So the equation the value will be Rp equal 11 is 6 upon 11. So this is the answer. Ohm. Okay. Now this is the in the series combination the equivalent resistance is 6 ohm and in the parallel combination equivalent resistance is 6 upon 11 ohm. Okay. Now, in this example, how the three resistors of resistances 2 ohm, 3 ohm and 6 ohm should be joined that the equivalent resistance become 4. Okay, how will we join these resistors? Then the equivalent resistance should be 4 ohm. Okay, let first we join 2 and 3. Two resistors are there of 2 ohm and 3 ohm. Let these are joined in parallel. So let this is the 2 ohm resistor and this resistor is of 3 ohm. These are joined in parallel combination. Okay, and what will be there? So here, and the third resistor is connected in series of these. So what will be there? This is the point A and this is point B. So these are the parallel. So we have to apply in this circuit parallel combination. So RP 1 upon RP will be 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3. First resistor and this is second resistance. Okay. So here will be 6 and 3 plus 2. Okay. So 5 upon 6. This is now the simplified circuit of this circuit is given circuit will be this one. This is RP. What will be the RP? So RP will be equal to 6 upon 5 reciprocal, and this one is this one resistance. So the value of this is 6 ohm. 6 ohm. Okay. These are in series combination. So the total resistance of this combination will be 6 upon 5 plus 6. Okay. So here answer or the equivalent resistance is not equal to 4 ohm. So this is wrong combination. So what will be the right combination? So let 3 ohm and 6 ohm are connected in parallel. So what will be here? Let this resistor is of 3 ohm and this resistor is of 6 ohm. Here 3 ohm and 6 ohm are given here, and in the series of these, let this is point A, in the series of these resistors 2 ohm is connected. So this resistor is of 2 ohm. Okay, firstly we have to solve this circuit. So in this circuit here these are in the parallel. So the formula, from the formula RP 1 upon RP will be equal to 1 upon 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 6. So here LCM will be 6. Okay, we have to divide 6 by 3, then what will be the answer? 2. So here 2 is multiplied by 1 and this one plus. When we divide 6 by this 6, then here answer will be 1. We have to multiply 1 by 1. So here 2 into 1 2 plus 1 into 1 1 upon 6 or 3 upon 6. 6 divided by 3 1 upon RP equal 1 upon 2, or this is the reciprocal. So the value of Rp will be Rp into 1 equal 1 into 2, or Rp equal 2 ohm. Okay. Now the simplified circuit will be here point A, and this is now Rp. Rp, the combination of 3 ohm and 6 ohm, and this is the resistor of 2 ohm, and this point is, let this point is B. So these are in series combination. So the equivalent resistance of this combination will be R equivalent, or Rs will be equal Rp plus 2 ohm. The value of Rp is equal 2 ohm and 2 ohm, or Rs equal 4 ohm. Okay, this is the answer, and this is equal to 4 ohm. So this combination of the resistors is correct. Okay, because by this combination here the equivalent resistance we get 4 ohm. So this circuit is right. Okay. Now another, if these are changed, these are 8 ohm, this is 8 ohm, and this is also 8 ohm, and this is 12 ohm. Okay. So in this condition, if how is the three resistors of resistances 8 ohm, 8 ohm and 8 ohm should be joined, that the equivalent resistance become 12 ohm. Okay. So how will we connect these resistors? Then we will get the equivalent resistance equal 12 ohm. Okay. So let us try. By this diagram here, A and this is B, let here 8 ohm and here also 8 ohm, and another third resistor of 8 ohm is connected in series by series of these resistors, and these are in parallel. So first we have to solve this this diagram, this circuit. So here these are the parallel, that's why from the resultant resistance, or the equivalent resistance of parallel combination is for two resistors 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 8, or equal 2 upon 8. 2 4s are 8. Here 1 upon R equivalent equal 1 upon 4, or this is the reciprocal. This 4 is not the equivalent resistance, or 1 upon 4 is not equivalent resistance. We have to find the equivalent resistance, the value of R equivalent, by the cross multiplication. So R equivalent into 1 equal 1 into 4, or R equivalent equal 4 ohm. This is 4 ohm. So the resultant or the equivalent of this circuit, the simplified circuit will be point A, and this is of R. So not, we have to write here P. We have to write here P. So it is P, and this is 8 ohm, and this is point B. Now these are connected in series. Okay. So by the formula of series combination, Rs will be equal Rp plus 8 ohm, or 4 plus 8 equal 12. RS equal 12 ohm. That is equal to 12 ohm. Okay. So now this diagram is correct for this equation, this question. So if we connect two resistors in parallel, then third resistor in series of these, then the equivalent resistance of the combination will be 12 ohm. So this is the circuit diagram of this question. Okay. Now in this diagram, we have to calculate the current flowing through the conductor. This is battery of 2 volt. From this battery here, I current is flowing. We have to find the value of I. Okay, but in this diagram, V is given. V is equal to 2 volt. Okay, and resistors are given, but we have to find the equivalent resistance of this combination. Then we can solve, we can find the value of I. Okay, by the Ohm's law, I is equal V upon R. We have the value of V, but we do not have the value of R. Okay, so in this diagram, first we have to calculate the equivalent resistance of this combination, and then we can find the value of I. Okay, so look at this. In this diagram, AB resistor of resistance 30 ohm is connected to this resistor, and let this is the first end of this resistor, then this will be the second end of this resistor, and let this is the first end of this resistor, and then this end will be the second end of this resistor. So this is the first resistor. Let this is first resistor. The second end of the first resistor is connected to the first end of second resistor. So that's why these are connected in series. So the equivalent of two resistors will be RS, but because these are connected in series, so RS will be 30 ohm of first resistor, and the second resistor 30 ohm. So RS will be equal 60 ohm. So the equivalent simplified diagram will be here. I current flowing plus terminal or negative terminal, and the potential 2 volt. This is point A. Okay, and this resistor, and here we can draw this like that. And now this is RS, the combination of 30 ohm 30 ohm, it is equal to RS, and it is equal to 60 ohm. So this is the simplified diagram of this diagram. Now again, this resistor of 30 ohm is connected in parallel to the 60 ohm resistor, because this is the first end and this is the first end of this resistor. These are connected in one common point, and the second end of these are connected with another common point. That's why these are in parallel. So the equivalent resistance of two parallel resistors will be 1 upon Rp, 1 upon 30 ohm plus 1 upon 60 ohm. So what will be the LCM of 30 and 60? 60. Okay. Now here 1 into 60 and divided by 30, it is equal to and plus 60 divided by 60, it will be 1. So here 2 plus 1 upon 60 or 3 upon 60. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 0. Or 1 upon Rp is equal 1 upon 20. Okay, this is the reciprocal of Rp. The value of Rp will be 20 ohm. Okay, now the simplified diagram will be, what will be the simplified diagram? Here this is the battery of 2 volt and this is point A, the equivalent resistor Rp, and this is the simplified diagram of this diagram. Okay, now by this diagram here Rp is equal 20 ohm. Now the value of V is equal to 2 volt, and here we have find the value of Rp, or the value of resistance is equal 20 ohm. Then we can find the value of I by this equation. So I will be equal V upon Rp equal, the value of V is 2 volt and the value of Rp equal 20 ohm. See here 1, or I equal 1 upon 10 or 0.1 ampere. So this is the value of current flowing through the circuit. Okay, now in this example here find out the equivalent resistance and the potential difference between point A and F in the given circuit. This is the circuit. Okay, this is point A and this is point F. We have to find the equivalent resistance and the potential difference between point A and F. Okay, you can see in this diagram that these resistors are connected in parallel and these are also connected in parallel. That's why these are connected in parallel, and this resistor is connected in series of these resistors. Okay, so firstly we have to solve this one and this one. Because these are connected in parallel, so the equivalent resistance of this parallel combination will be 1 upon, let this is equal Rp1, it is equal 1 upon 2, the value of this resistance, plus 1 upon 2. So what will be here? 2 upon 2 will be there, 2 cancelled, here 1 upon 1 or 1 ohm, sorry, 1 upon 1. Now the value of Rp1 will be, Rp1 will be the reciprocal 1 ohm. Okay, similarly because these are the resistors of 2 ohm and these are connected in parallel, that's why the equivalent resistance of this parallel combination will also be equal 1 ohm. Okay, so this is Rp2, this will be equal also 1 ohm. Okay, now the simplified diagram of this diagram will be, let this is point A and this is the resistor of resistance 2 ohm, and now this combination is become 1. So the value of this is Rp1 equal 1 ohm, and here this combination becomes Rp2 equal 1 ohm, and this is the resistor of resistance, let this is the resistance is 2 ohm, and this point is F. Now these are parallel. Okay, so we have to apply again the formula of parallel combination. So the value 1 upon r, let this is only r, so 1 upon r p1 plus 1 upon r p2, it will be equal 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon 1. Okay, rp1 equal 1, rp2 equal 1, or it will be equal to 2 upon 1. Okay, 1, the value of 1 upon 1 will be 1, and the value of 1 upon 1 will be 1, so 1 plus 1 equal 2 upon 1. So the equivalent resistance R will be equal 1 upon 2, because this is the reciprocal. Okay, now this is R equal 1 upon 2. So now the simplified circuit of this combination will be here. So what will be this? It will be point A, this is resistor of 2 ohm, and the simplified form of this will be single, and this is equal R, and it is equal the value of this 1 upon R ohm, and this one 2 ohm, and this point is F. Now these are connected in series, so the equivalent resistance of this series combination will be the RS, here 2 ohm plus R plus 2 ohm, 2 plus the value of R 1 upon 2 plus 2, we can write here 1 upon 2 upon 1, 2 upon 1. So here the LCM of 1 to 1, 2. Okay, so here will be 2, 1 divide by 1, 2 divided by 1, so here answer will be 2. So here 2 into 2 plus here 2 divided by 2, so here will be 1, and plus 1 2 divided by 1, then 2 2 is 4, or we can write here 2 into 2, so it will be equal 4 plus 1 plus 4 upon 2, or RS will be equal here 9 upon 2, or 4 2 4 is 8.5 ohm. Okay, this is the value of the equivalent. This is under series, but this is the equivalent resistance of whole electric circuit. So R equivalent will be equal 4.5 ohm. So this is the equivalent resistance of the combination. Now let the current is flowing here, I equal 1 ampere, then what will be the potential difference between point A and point F? So the potential difference will be, here we found the value of R equivalent 4.5, and the current given I equal 1 ampere. From the Ohm's law, V will be equal R equivalent into I. On putting the value of R equivalent 4.5 into 1, it will be equal, the SI unit will be volt, VV. So 4.5 into 1 equal 4.5 volt. this is the potential difference between point A and point F. Okay, so understood. Now we have to find the difference, the potential drop across the resistor R1 equal 18 ohm in the circuit given below with applied potential, or the EMF, applied EMF is 60 volt. Okay, in this electrical circuit here 60 volt applied potential is there, or the 60 volt EMF is there. Okay, we have to find the potential drop or the potential difference between the two ends of this R1 resistor. Okay, so if we have I, then we can find the potential drop between R, but we are not having the value of I. So firstly we have to find the equivalent resistance, and we have the value E equals 60 volt, then we can find I. So here R3 and R4 are connected in series. Okay, so the equivalent resistance of this will be Rs equal R3 plus R4. It is equal 5 plus 10 ohm. Okay, 5 plus 10 ohm. It is equal 15 ohm. Okay. Now the simplified diagram will be, this is the positive terminal, this is negative terminal of battery, this is the resistor R1 equal 18 ohm, here I flowing, and here resistor R2 of 10 ohm is connected, and the equivalent of R3 and R4 is this, and this is Rs equal 15 ohm. Okay, now this is the simplified electrical circuit of this. Now this Rs and R2 are connected in parallel, that's why we can find the value of this. So from this diagram here R2 and Rs are connected in parallel, that's why Rp, the equivalent resistance in parallel, 1 upon Rp equal R2 plus 1 upon Rs. The value 1 upon R2, the value of R2 is 10 ohm and the value of Rs is 15 ohm. So what will be the value? 1 upon Rp will be equal 10 into 15, 1 into 15 plus 1 into 10. Okay, so this is the LCM and this is the solution. Now 15 plus 10 upon 150, it is equal 1 upon Rp, or 1 upon Rp, it is not Rp, it is 1 upon Rp. Some students are writing here Rp equal 15 plus 10 upon 150. That is wrong. So here 25 upon 150. Okay. Here 5 5 is 25, 5 3 and here 0, 5 6 is 30. So 1 upon Rp will be 1 upon 6. Okay, or Rp, because this is reciprocal, that's why Rp will be equal 6 by the cross multiplication. Rp is the 6 ohm. Okay, now the simplified diagram of this electrical diagram will be, this is the positive terminal of the battery, this is negative terminal. Here R1 is equal 18 ohm, and now the equivalent of R2 and Rs is now Rp, and this is the simplified diagram, and it is equal 6 ohm. Now R1 and RP are connected in series. So what will be the value by the series combination here? Now it will be the equivalent resistance of whole circuit. Okay, so here R equivalent, so because these are connected in series, okay, it is equal to 18 plus 6 will be equal to 24 ohm. So R equivalent will be equal 24 ohm. Okay, now this is the value of equivalent resistance. Now we have to find the value of I. So the value of R equivalent equal 24 ohm, then I will be epsilon, or we can say E, or the applied EMF upon R equivalent. The value of E is 60 and the value of R equivalent is 24. Okay, or I equal 60 upon 24. 60 upon 24, what will be the value? 12 to the 24, 5, 12 5 is 60, or here I equal 5 upon 2, or 2.5. So I equal 2.5 ampere. So the current flowing through the wire, through the circuit, is 2.5 ampere. Okay, now we can find the potential difference or the potential drop between two ends of this R1 resistor. Okay, so here V1, the potential difference or potential drop across the ends of R1 will be equal R1 into I. Okay, so the value of R1, it is equal to 18 ohm, and the value of I is equal to 2.5 ampere. Okay, now it is equal V1. So what will be here? By multiplying by your point. So 4, 5. The value of V is equal to V1 equal 45 volt. So the potential drop or the potential difference between two ends of the resistor R1 is equal 45 volt. Okay, this is the answer of this example. Okay, you understood? Okay, thanks.